NZDUSD today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about NZD against US dollar. Now before we start the video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, and if you can see the links below the video, the first link says make money on autopilot with forex trading. So in case you're a newbie who wants to do automation in the trading, because you don't want to learn this manual trading. Sometimes it's very complicated. Manual trading is not for everybody. Let's get that right. Okay, just in case you want to try something on automation, check out the first link, come to this page here, check out all these screenshots, see how this method works, and it might be helpful to you. Secondly, say join my free Telegram channel. So in case you want some free signals every now and then, make sure you're connected with me on Telegram. And then there's a link says send my profits. I will talk about that in a moment. But check out best prop firm and forex broker. So if you click on that link here, you will come to this page. If you want to join prop firm, click here. If you want to join some broker, click here. Okay, prop firm means that if you have the knowledge but no money to trade. No money means if you don't have 10,000, 20,000, 50,000 to trade with, but you know you are skillful, then you can go and pass the challenge on the prop firm and join it. And this is the best prop firm out there. Okay, if you have your own money, then you can register with these brokers and then add your money and start your trading journey. And then there was a link below my video saying send my profits here. What does it mean? It means that when you are watching my videos for free, I'm not charging you any money for this analysis, or I'm not asking you to enroll into any of my Telegram membership or into my any $1,000 course. Okay, so in the coming days you will see that the hardcore content which I am going to upload on my YouTube channel for all these pairs. Okay, maybe on weekly basis, maybe on twice a week. So you will see all these pairs analysis every other week. Okay, and it will be full weekly analysis. So you will see how much value I'm giving to you for free. Okay, and then if you're a real human person, you can come back to me, and if you made any money using my knowledge, then you can come back to me and you can click on that link below and you can share your whatever amount of profit you want to share with me. Okay, this is a unique idea I have in my mind. For example, I can go ahead and charge you $1,000 course. I can ask you to buy my course, then only I will teach you. Or maybe I can ask you to join some this monthly membership on Telegram, which everybody else is doing it. There's nothing wrong in that. Okay, but for now I have this unique idea that let me give you the knowledge for free. Use my knowledge because I want you to go live. Okay, there's no point you keep watching the video but you don't trade. Okay, so my idea is to give you free knowledge, then you go and try that knowledge maybe in the demo account if you're a newbie first. Okay, you can try my knowledge even in the demo account, see how it works, then go and try in the live account. When you make profit, when you made your money, then come back and share that profit with me. And this is just to prove that if you can really trust any human being on this planet or not. So I don't need your money, I can make my money. Okay, this is just a unique idea I have in my mind that okay, let's see how many real people are out there who will come to you, say thank you. Okay, so that's why you have that link send my profits here, because understand, I'm giving you free knowledge. If you make any money from my knowledge, then you can come back and happily share that. I'm not asking you to pay me upfront from your own pocket. That's why I'm different and other people are not different. Okay, anyways, nobody's wrong. If they're charging you for analysis, that's fair. I can do that too. Okay, but for now my idea is unique. Let's see for how long I will do this for free, and I just want to find out how many people are grateful. How many people will turn to be grateful for what I'm doing for free. Okay, otherwise everybody is selfish person on this planet. So the time will tell, but I will also have a data how many people got back to me and how many people use my knowledge to make money online in trading. Okay, anyways, if you want the analysis of NZDUSD, so on my channel, if you go, the video I have just uploaded before this video, that is AUD USD analysis. Go and watch that video, because NZD USD analysis, AUD USD analysis is the same, exactly copy paste. Okay, so I will not talk anything in this video anymore. If you want to know exactly what's going to happen with NZDUSD, go and check out my AUD USD analysis. If you like what you see, subscribe, like, and check out these links, and I'll see you in my next video.